streets of Egypt he came. Liverpool was in pain and he saved its name. Most of lives broken, every record in sight. So the so-called legends try hard to push him out overnight. He's tearing down the records one by one, and knockers get nervous seeing him like the rising sun. So they trying every trick just to make him fall, cause his greatness shakes the thrones they built so tall. You can try to break him, but he won't break. You can try to stop him with calls so fake. Every wall you build, he'll turn to flame. Tell us had his share of fame. Now stop this game. Now stop this game. They whisper in the shadows, plotting every plan, hoping to hide the fire of this Egyptian man. But every kick, every goal, they cannot erase the courage, the skill, the unstoppable pace.